Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Ever moved to a new house, and instead of packing everything properly, you just dump stuff into random boxes and hope for the best? Then you spend the next week searching for your charger, your toothbrush, even your socks. Now imagine doing that with your website. No backup, no structure. That's why proper backups matter. And today, I'm going to show you how to generate a full cPanel backup and send it directly to an FTP server, safe, organized, and ready whenever you need it. If you're hosting with YouStable, you're already one step ahead. Their cPanel gives you direct access to backup tools, FTP configuration, and everything's laid out clearly. No need to Google every step. So, whether you're shifting servers, moving to a new host, or just being extra safe, this method will save you from a lot of future headaches. Let's get your backup sorted the smart way. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to Files section and click Backup. Click the Download a Full Account Backup button. From the drop-down menu, select the backup destination, the remote FTP server. If you don't want to receive the notification of completion of the backup, click the Options button. Enter FTP IP address or FTP domain name, such as ftp.example.com. Enter your FTP username and password. Enter port number 21 or another FTP port. Enter remote directory like /home/username/backup folder. Once you fill in the remote FTP details, click the Generate Backup button. That's it. We have successfully generated a backup and sent it to the FTP server. Thank you for watching.